Hello students, welcome to Microbiology PYQ series. Another basic question which is frequently asked is on culture media. What is culture media? Definition, classification, along with few important examples. This is very easy duck question which you can master in one or two times watching the video. So let's see it. What is the introduction? To grow bacteria in a laboratory, we need nutrient materials called culture media. Without proper media, organisms cannot grow and cannot be identified. Okay, just like we need soil in the case of plants, where when we put plants in the soil, it helps them grow. So what is the definition which you need to write? Culture media are artificial nutrient preparations used to grow, isolate and identify microorganisms. Why it is important? Proper selection of culture media helps in isolation, identification and antibiotic sensitivity testing of pathogens. So these are three words: isolation, identification and sensitivity testing of pathogens. What is the classification? Classification is slightly confusing. Either it can be based on physical state, chemical composition or functional use. In the case of a physical state, we have liquid media. Liquid media generally contains no agar. It is mainly used for enrichment, such as a nutrient bath or alkaline peptone water. What second is semi-solid media, which is low agar. It is used for motility testing and transport. And third is solid media, which contains agar. It is used to study colony morphology, for example, blood agar and MacConkey agar. So here, don't get confused. It is slightly higher. Physical state, you have to write three things: liquid media, semi-solid media, solid media. Now comes on chemical composition. Chemical composition is simple media, complex media, defined media. So what is simple media? Here, as the name implies, there are basic nutrients only, such as nutrient agar. What is complex media? It contains blood, serum, or eggs, such as blood agar, chocolate agar. So, on the basis of chemical composition, there is simplex, complex, and defined. So, in simple media, there is a basic nutrients only, such as nutrient agar. Complex media is contains blood, serum, eggs. Example is blood agar, chocolate agar. Third is defined media, which is where we put exact chemical composition. Okay, and third is very important based on functional use. Here we have four categories, such as enriched media, enrichment media, selective media, and differential media. So first we'll see what is enriched or enrichment. So students get confused. See, enriched media is basically a basic media plus blood or serum, such as blood agar. Here we take a simple media, add something extra to it, and this caters to a wide group of microorganisms. Okay, it is not selective. It is just like having a what you can say, having a group of athletes eat enriched food. So a lot of nutritional requirements of fuzzy eaters of microorganisms are covered. Second is enrichment media, which increases the population of a specific microbe. Here, enrichment, it works targetedly. It takes a particular microorganisms and gives it a complete advantage. For example, selenite F broth. Okay, so you might have got the difference. Enriched is a very broad category. Enrichment, we take a particular microorganisms, give it some things which would help increase its growth. Third is selective media and differential media. Selective, as the name implies, it would inhibit unwanted bacteria. It would only give a particular bacteria which are targeting nutrients, rest all will die. Whereas in the case of differential media, it differentiates based on biochemical reaction. Simply means that differential media contains indicators that allow you to distinguish between different type of bacteria. So next is transport media. Transport media preserves specimen. For example, stewards, Emmys, or clearwares. Here, the only goal is to preserve specimens so that it can be transferred without getting degraded. And last is anaerobic media. It is specially designed for anaerobes, those microorganisms which survive without oxygen. For example, Robertson cooked meat media. So what are the few very important topics? MacConkey, you have to remember, it is both a selective and differential. Blood is an enriched medium which shows hemolysis. Chocolate agar is specifically for fastidious organisms, and Lowenstein-Jensen medium is for Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is an exception, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis have a very high probability of being asked. So you have to remember LJ medium. What is the conclusion? Culture media classification is a frequently asked question